In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can restore Proton VPN to default settings. So if you had interfered with your Proton VPN and you want just to restore to its previous settings, it is pretty much easy. Just go over to this settings option here and then tap on it. Now from here, scroll down until you see this option called Restore Default Settings. If you go ahead and tap on it, go ahead and tap on Restore Default Settings, and this will restore your VPN to its default settings. So that's how you restore your Proton VPN to default settings. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.